Wing Chun Kung Fu, an ancient martial art originating from southern China, is renowned for its efficiency and effectiveness in combat. Among its numerous techniques, the Bang Sao stands out as a fundamental move that embodies the essence of Wing Chun. This short essay will explore the Bang Sao technique and its real-world applications, illuminating its significance within the Wing Chun system. The Bang Sao, or wing arm in translation, is a defensive technique utilized primarily to protect the practitioner's center line, which is the imaginary line running through the body's vertical axis. By effectively guarding the center line, the Wing Chun practitioner gains a vital advantage in combat, as it allows them to simultaneously defend and counterattack with efficiency and minimal telegraphing movements. To execute the Bang Sao technique, one begins by extending the arm with the elbow slightly bent, forming a wing-like shape. The forearm hugs tightly against the body, effectively shielding the center line. The hand is positioned in a palm-up manner, ready to intercept and redirect incoming attacks. In this defensive stance, the Wing Chun practitioner capitalizes on the concept of simultaneous attack and defense, allowing them to maintain close quarters and deliver rapid counterattacks. In real-world applications, the Bang Sao technique proves to be a valuable asset. Imagine a situation where an opponent launches a punch towards the practitioner's upper body. Through swift and fluid movements, the Wing Chun practitioner could intercept the punch with a Bang Sao, redirecting the force away from their body's vulnerable areas. This interception creates an opportunity to simultaneously counterattack using dynamic techniques found within the Wing Chun system, like the chain punch or simultaneous trapping and striking. Moreover, the Bang Sao technique also plays a pivotal role in close-range combat. In scenarios where an opponent attempts to grab or clinch, the practitioner can utilize the Bang Sao to protect themselves from being overpowered. By maintaining a strong structure and positioning, the wing arm acts as a barrier preventing the opponent from closing the distance and gaining control. This defensive maneuver allows for quick assessment of the situation and strategizing the subsequent response to neutralize the threat. In conclusion, the Bang Sao technique serves as a foundational move within the Wing Chun Kung Fu system. Its defensive nature and ability to protect the center line make it an invaluable skill in combat. By employing the Bang Sao effectively, the Wing Chun practitioner gains the advantage of simultaneous attack and defense, providing them with a well-rounded approach to combat situations. Through meticulous practice and understanding of this technique, the Wing Chun student can unlock the true essence of this ancient martial art, reflecting its principles of efficiency and effectiveness.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.